Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can deposit and withdraw money on FanDuel Sportsbook. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. You can withdraw your funds at any time through online banking, debit card, Venmo, PayPal, FanDuel Prepaid Pay Plus, check, and cash at the counter. You can view all your options on the withdraw page. Please note some states may limit which withdrawal options are available. To withdraw using a debit card, Venmo, PayPal, and FanDuel Prepaid Pay Plus, you must first make a deposit using that method. You can use any confirmed deposit method. Now open your account profile, click on the top right icon if you are on your computer or the bottom right icon if using the app. Then select withdraw from there and you will see the option for withdrawal funds on your screen. Next, you will be able to choose from multiple methods to get your funds. It will automatically show any methods you have used previously for deposits. So that's basically how you can deposit and withdraw money on FanDuel Sportsbook. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.